Good morning, my friend. How are you? I hope everybody doing fine. Today I will share with you the application of microcement in the staircase and the bathroom. This is the final stage after fixing the carpet on the stair. Underneath is there the microcement topping. The application I will share with you in the next step. So you can see how it look like. It's very beautiful, and instead of marble or ceramic you can use this micro cement. It's come in one color as you choose. This is the application now. I am applying the micro cement topping. Before it was marble on in the staircase. Existing staircase is a marble. After sanding and applying the grip primer, now we are applying the micro cement topping, the first coat. It will take, for example, for the staircase around 20 stair. It will take almost 1 hour to finish. Then after that we need to leave to dry at least for 8 hours to apply the second coat. After applying the second coat, we need to sand and apply the protections, the sealant, and after that aqua eco protections to coat. So this is the step how to apply micro cement. Is easy. You can apply by trowel and scraper. As you see here, also we are working in the near bathroom, also floor and wall, both are micro cements. Before it was ceramic. Now we are applying on the top. After grip primer we are applying the micro cement topping. So it look like some decoration, the old decoration like tadlaks in Morocco. It's wonderful. It's a solid and also resistance for water, for humidity, for anything. So the new generation of bathroom now become with micro cements topping. So many company they're producing these materials. Is a type of decocrete material. We will mix it as per the client color chosen by client. There are so many color as you like. We can add a toner to the white micro cement and mix with the drill machine to become homogeneous, and we can apply it in any surface, in the kitchen, in the floors, in the staircase, in the walls, in any surface, exterior, interior, no problem. So the application is easy, as I told you. Just use after mixing the materials, you can use the scraper with the trowels and apply like you are applying putty or majoon or anything that applying by these tools. So after drying, the color it will become little lighter than because when the water gone, the color of the micro cement will appear. So as I told, the micro topping is the future for all the terraces, all the surface, and there are so many. When we apply by trowels, we can give some effect, the marble effect to the design. Okay, this is the application, and please see the video till the end. We will show you the final pictures for this micro topping after fixing the carpet in the middle. So please stay with us till we will finish this staircase. Here the nearest bathroom, we apply already the micro topping, another color. This is like a gray color, so it's still not dry properly. Some area is already starts to dry, so the micro topping, when you mix it, it will be a little bit dark, but after drying it will become lighter, so the darkness it will go. So this is the application after the second coat that we apply in. Now we are starting to make the sealant and the protections. So we are applying the first protections D20 by brush, and we can apply also by small roller with the less hair. So the application you can make like this position, so randomly like that, but it should be the same application. So this D20, it will take almost 1 hour to dry. After that we need to apply another coat of Aqua Eco. Is like a protection, is a waterproofing on the top of this material. So this sealant is or sealer is transparent. It will give a little bit darkness for the materials, and a little bit shiny. And you can use the matte finishing as well, matte sealer, and also you can make you can choose the sealer is like a glossy sealer as well, a hydro epoxy. It's coming clear, it coming two compound, one is a hardener, one is a resin, but is a clear. Can mix together, and you can apply on top of micro cement applications. So this is the sealant start drying. After that it will become homogeneous, and the wall it will become very, very perfect. Here now, after fixing all the carpet, you can see the application is wonderful. I hope everybody like it. This is the client, you choose to put the carpet in between in the stair. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe in our channel to receive more video. Thanks a lot.